That there is 1J sitting in a surf.
I suppose we should see the... Oh, cramp. Oh hey, awesome, you're here. Well, as you can see, we've got a lot done, but we've still got heaps to go. So make sure you tune in.
Hey, this came for you.
Oh, nice.
I don't know what it is though, so.
You're not going to ask how much it is?
No, I don't want to know.
Well, I deal with this. Why don't you guys get caught right up? Alright, so you're up to speed. You know what to do. Down here. I'll see you next time. Before you go, why don't you check out my mate Ben's channel over here. You saw him in the video before. Loves his cars. So he's going to be helping us a lot on this build, and it'd really help him out if you went and checked his stuff out. Oh, and subscribe.